Hello friends, in this video we shall answer a few frequently asked questions. The first question that is often asked is, what do I do if there are errors in the property bill? These errors could be in the way your name is written, it could be the spelling or anything to do with the name. In such a case, you have to apply on a plain paper to the Gram Panchayat to make the necessary corrections. You'll require supporting documents for that. Such documents will be your own identity and an index to copy to identify the property. There could be errors in the address and you may not be happy with the way it is written. Once again, you'll have to supply the documentary proof such as index to, and you'll have to make the application for correction of the same. It could be related to calculation. In that case, once again, you'll have to write to them, and if they do not answer, you can always raise an RTI, which was discussed in the previous video. In case you're not in agreement with the way the tax assessment has been done, then as mentioned earlier, you can appeal to the Panchayat Samiti, and if you're not happy with the Panchayat Samiti's rulings, then you can appeal to the standing committee and their decision will be final. What is to be noted is that there is a time limitation, a statute of limitations, which is 30 days from the date on which the bill was made, and similarly 30 days after the Panchayat Samiti decision is given in case you don't agree with that. Another question that is of importance is to understand that what is called a tax bill or an invoice is actually just a notice of your taxes due. The correct nomenclature for that is tax dues notice. It is not strictly a bill. A bill is provided for services rendered to you. We must understand the basic concept that all taxes are obligatory. It is the responsibility of the individual to pay the taxes. The tax notice is just a convenience which they are given. For example, income tax department does not tell you how much tax to pay. You have to file an income tax return after paying the tax which you assess is the correct value. Similarly, the same applies to GST, and property tax is no different. Property tax is an obligatory duty. Bills, as we said earlier, are for services and they can be disputed. A tax is compulsory. It has the backing of law. It has the backing of government notifications. If you have any disputes, we have already discussed the redressal forums for that. To the best of my knowledge, in case you are disputing it, I do not know of any mechanism of how much amount you must pay in case you are disputing the amount. For example, in income tax cases, you have to make a down payment of 20% of the taxes assessed, and then you can go ahead with your dispute resolution or appeal to the income tax appellate tribunal. I'm not aware of any such mechanism other than the provisions mentioned earlier in the Maharashtra Village Panchayat Act. So friends, thank you very much for your attention. I hope this addresses most of the common frequently asked questions. If you have any more, please post them in the space comment section below the video. Thank you very much and bye-bye.